Hi there, students. To contest, and a contest. So notice the verb to contest, the stress is in the second syllable, and a contest. With the noun, the stress is in the first part, in the first syllable. It's quite common, this change between the sound or the pronunciation of a noun and a verb. For example, to concert, but a concert. Okay, this is another example with the same letters even. Okay, so a contest, a competition. Yeah. Okay, a competition to do better than everyone else, a contest, a dance contest, a small sports contest, a beauty contest. Yeah. The contest for the leadership of the party. Yeah, the contest for the nomination. And then to contest something, you contest a claim, you contest something that someone says, you contest a decision, you contest a judge's ruling, you contest an election, for example. Yeah, okay, so a contest, yeah, is a countable noun, a competition where somebody's trying to win, where you have various contestants who are contesting. Yeah, a struggle to win power. Yeah, the presidential contest. But then to contest an election, to contest with competitors. Yeah, the competition was closely contested. Yeah, you could contest a statement or a decision. You object to it formally. You say you think it's unreasonable. You think it's not fair. Yeah. This is a hotly contested issue. So to contest, to oppose, to question, to challenge, to argue about something. Yeah. They were contesting for power, striving, vying for power. Yeah, the relatives are contesting the will. They're disputing. They're challenging. Yeah, a contest to discover who's going to be the best in the competition. Yeah, I won the contest for best YouTuber ever. Okay, so this contest will be hotly contested. Yeah. Okay. I don't agree with what you say. I contest what you say. I don't believe that it is valid. I contest your allegation, the allegation that you made. I contest your claim and argue that it's not reasonable. Okay, so okay, now this is now a contest to see who can do it quicker. Okay, so a contest, whereas to with a schwa sound, contest as a verb. Okay, formality. This is a 5 in formality. You can use this absolutely anywhere, informally, semi-formally, formally. And as to origin, well, it comes through French from Latin, conTESTor, to call, to witness. Okay, so it's actually about the legal profession. Yeah, testor, a witness, to testify. Yeah, so to contest is you have a witness. You come with a witness to say that this is not true. It's not so. So, a contest to contest. The contestants contested the contest. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Contest to contest.